Cleft nose rhinoplasty. This rhinoplasty is very difficult. Why? Because it's a developmental birth defect, and all these people who suffer from such kind of congenital birth defects, they question themselves, they question their parents that why we do look like this, why we don't look like other normal people, why our nose does not look like other people. And this makes them pretty sad and very emotionally very labile and vulnerable, because they want to look as normal as they can be. And most of the time, such people, even after getting 5 to 6 rhinoplasties done, they are not very happy about it, because the stigmata of the cleft nose cannot be corrected 100%. It is a surgeon's ability to make them look as normal as it can be. Many times we get this comment, or you can say compliment, that cleft nose cannot be this sharp. Yes, we make cleft nose this sharp, and this is the reality. Not in one video, but if you see my operated cleft noses, all cleft nose tips look very sharp. And yes, I do create these sharp cleft noses to the liking of my clients, how they want it. So if you are one of those cleft nose patients who have got multiple surgeries done and you cannot believe it, you need to come to our center, get the surgery done to believe what we do. So this was a cleft nose rhinoplasty. It is not easy to do a cleft nose because the cartilages from birth are asymmetrical. If you see her before picture, you would know that her this side of the bony base was depressed. So what I have done, you can see I have increased the columnar length on this side, given tip a definition from here, so that this whole thing is picked up, and the ella that was spread like this has raised now, giving her a nice sharp tip defining points. I have also done a LR reduction so that both the sides are symmetrical. This side there was a bony defect, for which I have put a rib graft to give the base support. Now if you see from all the angles, the nose looks symmetrical and it looks very sharp. So you can see from all the angles how her nose looks like. She had a desire of having a sharp nose with a sharp tip, and I think once the cast is removed, she's gonna like her nose. But let me tell you, all those people who have cleft nose problems, 100% the nose cannot be corrected, because it's a developmental birth deformity. So whatever God has forgot to give you, we try to reshape it. But we cannot beat God in His creation, but we try to replicate the normal anatomy to give a near normal appearance, so that it does not look like a defect, it looks like close to normal. For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.